Okay, doing a walkthrough on a new contract to repair this unit. Obviously, we need windows. We need a new front entry door. This house has been meth remediated, so anything that tested positive for meth had to be removed, which meant windows, putting a kills solution, a special solution, wash and scrub on all of the walls and ceiling, removing anything that had a certain percentage of meth on it, which includes cabinetry, etc. Wood soaks up meth very quickly. So we're going to need cabinets and sink and all of the above. New light fixtures, hot water heater, new doors all the way through. Usually units that are methified have a lot of holes in them. Apparently you get angry when you're on meth. Made a new runner board all the way through the house. Ledger board, actually. Reciprocals all need to be replaced. Patch, patch, patch. Moral of the story, don't do meth. We'll run a series of videos, walk you through the cost and what it takes to repair a house that has been rented out by meth users.